Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful cake jewelry box using an easy method. First, gather all your baking essentials, like a 9 by 13-inch cake pan, a good quality cake mix, and sturdy cake boards. A stable foundation is key for this project, so ensure your cake board is strong enough to support the finished design. We'll use a simple cake recipe that bakes firm and carves easily. Once your cake batter is ready, pour it into a prepared 9 by 13-inch rectangular pan and bake according to your recipe's instructions. After baking, it's crucial to let the cake cool down entirely, perhaps for several hours or even overnight. This prevents crumbling during carving. Then, using a sharp serrated knife, carefully trim and shape your cake into the desired jewelry box form, aiming for clean, straight edges. Now apply a thin, even layer of buttercream to your carved cake. This crumb coat traps any loose crumbs and creates a smooth surface for the next step. Chill the cake for about 15 minutes to set the buttercream. Next, roll out your chosen covering, like fondant or modeling chocolate, to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully drape and smooth it over the entire cake, trimming any excess for a neat finish. This is where your creativity shines. Decorate your cake jewelry box with edible pearls, delicate sugar flowers, or even a personalized monogram. You can create a separate, slightly larger piece of fondant for the lid, adding a realistic touch. For an extra touch of elegance, brush edible gold or silver dust onto the cake's surface. Remember, attention to detail makes your cake truly special and impressive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.